First up, this smart makeup mirror with LED lighting. It gives you perfect brightness for flawless makeup every time. With adjustable light settings and a modern design, it's an essential for every vanity setup. Next, a genius SPF powder brush. Easy to carry, no mess, and protect your skin while keeping you matte all day long. Here's a compact aluminum retractable brush, eco-friendly, durable, and perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Now, this silicone facial cleansing brush. With over 1,600 touch points and gentle vibrations, it deeply cleanses your pores and leaves your skin smooth and fresh. Check out this ice therapy pod. Just freeze it and roll it over your face for instant cooling and depuffing. This portable Nano mist sprayer keeps your skin hydrated anytime, anywhere. It's small, rechargeable, and even gift-ready. Say goodbye to makeup wipes. This plush cleansing pad is soft, reusable, and removes makeup with just water. For makeup artists or serious beauty lovers, this light-up makeup suitcase is everything. With storage compartments and built-in mirror lighting, it's beauty on the go. Meet the mini scalp and body massager. It's wireless, has multiple modes, and gives a soothing, deep massage that melts stress away. This heated waist belt is perfect for relaxing sore muscles or staying cozy on cold days. Adjustable settings and fast heating make it so comfortable to use. Here's a menstrual pain relief belt with 4 vibration modes and soothing warmth. Discreet, lightweight, and seriously effective. This smart LED teeth whitening kit helps you get a brighter smile in just minutes a day. Safe, simple, and super convenient. Next up, this LED facial massager. It combines heat, light therapy, and vibration to boost your skincare results and improve circulation. And finally, this luxury silk pillowcase and eye mask set. Gentle on your skin and hair, it helps you wake up fresh and glowing every morning.